New at 6 tonight, a family of a Mississippi man who was hit by a Jackson Police Department cruiser in March is now asking the Department of Justice to investigate. Well, his name is Dexter Wade, and Wade's family also wants his body exhumed and independently autopsied.
The 37-year-old was reported missing by his mother in March, but she did not receive word that he was dead until August 24th. Jackson Police Department confirmed it was Wade and claimed there was no ill intent in delaying the next of kin notification.
Now, Wade's mother discovered her son's body was buried in a field.
My mama said, better say, I dreamed that police officer killed Dexter. I said, oh, mama. I said, that don't happen to everybody. Amen. I'm just dealing with my rights.
Amen. Amen.
I'm just speaking out for my rights.
The Wade's family attorney, Ben Crump, he says a petition will be filed to exhume the body of Dexter Wade so that he can have a proper funeral.
Queen City News Chief Legal Analyst Khalif Rhodes joining us now to talk about this. Khalif, I mean, when Ben Crump comes to the scene, it gets attention. But this story specifically, a lot of people just learning of just the severe things that happened or allegedly happened with Mr. Wade.
I mean, anytime Ben Crump gets involved, he brings a megaphone with him. He brings a sort of strength behind his name, obviously, and he has a team that can make sure that your story gets out there. Normally, that's part of the process, ensuring that folks recognize any type of atrocity. We're talking about loss of life. This individual was hit on the side of the road, and then 5 months later, his family finds out that he's dead, not just dead, but already buried. And so there's already a ton of trauma that's connected to not just losing a child, but losing a child in this manner. And so you saw the mother obviously visibly upset, but the legal power that someone like Mr. Crump brings to the table is obviously will assist the family in getting some type of closure that they want.
Yeah, and you want some more closure out of this. You want to find out exactly what happened and why they wasn't notified for that kind of time frame. But what's next for the family here?
Well, I mean, transparency. You'll want to get every piece of body cam. And one thing I think was great is that they said that they wanted the Department of Justice to investigate this as opposed to it being an internal investigation or even some type of state-ran investigation. You want some type of outside organization coming here and looking at what happened. When I looked at the report, they said they found the body with a medicine bottle. And then they contacted the doctor's office that gave them some phone number that didn't work. But most of my medicine that I have has my address on it as well. And so I would think the next step, even if you had 5 months to do that investigation, you could have found something. And we're in a social media era where you could put a name on social media and it'll pop up with something. And so the extra legwork that you think would have been done, because this is a human being, not an animal, would have been done in that case at least make sure that his family knew that their loved one was dead.
And two quick things here. I know we only have 20 more seconds, but one, people are now hearing more of this story. So my question to you is, do you feel like this is now going to create a reaction from the community more? And my other question for you quickly is, when you look at this case specifically, the fact that they buried him, to me, that just seems like there's some emotion there. They didn't put his body on fire, they didn't discard him in a different way, but you burying somebody, it just seems like there's so much there.
I think we're in an era right now where we're seeing things happen in real time. We're not reading about them 6 or 7 years after the fact. And so I think that community, as more information comes out, will definitely respond, hopefully in a positive manner, trying to get more accountability and action taken. In terms of the burial portion, that was by standard, by statute. The coroner, once they had the body there for a long period of time, went and petitioned the court to get permission to bury the body. I just wish when they went to get the court to get permission, they would have found the actual family.
Yes.
Yeah, tragedy that deserves a lot more answers right now. Hopefully we'll get them real soon. All right, Khalif Rhodes, thanks.